Hello everyone, my name is Scott Ibarra and today we're going to be talking a little bit more on MIS. Now today's topic is going to be cloud computing. Now there are a lot of you that have a Google account and have access to cloud computing and you don't even realize it. Or some of you actually use it and you don't exactly know what cloud computing might be. Today we're going to be going over what it is, what examples you can use it, and how you can use it to your benefit. Now, cloud computing is data that's being stored and developed through applications on a remote server. Now, what does that mean exactly? When you have a Google account, you have a variety of different tools and things you can use to your advantage. Some of those, like I said, Google has a big variety of different applications you can use. Like you have your Gmail where you have all your information from your email accounts. You have Slides where you can create presentations with all that information. And you also have Docs, which you can create documents with all the information you need. Now, the best thing about cloud computing is that once information is put in, there's no need to save or the maintenance is very low. So low maintenance is one of the biggest benefits that you have once using cloud computing. Now, another benefit that comes with all this is that you're able to access all these different things from any internet connection, and you want to make sure that you also have the reassurance of having all your files saved individually, and those of them that you don't save, since it does it automatically, it gives you a bigger benefit as well. So being able to get all your information and not worrying about losing any of that data is crucial.
Now we're going to go over a little bit more on exactly what cloud computing has the capability of doing. There's three major techniques that cloud computing helps firms or even small establishments do. The first thing is mirroring. Now with mirroring, you're using RAID or RAID to make a copy. So instead of having one of the identical file, now you have two copies. So if something goes wrong with one of the disks, it's a component of several disks. Now the best thing about mirroring is if one of them goes out, all you have to do is take it out and swap out a new one, and it works perfectly fine. Now, so that's mirroring, creating copies, identical copies, and having a secured network of knowing that two are now available. Another cool thing that it can do is pairing another technique, and this is more of a one-to-one ratio, and you can have one mirror for multiple disks. Now again, this technique offers you to have a one-on-one situation where you have, again, more than one source of this file that you have. And the last thing that it's able to do is called stripping, and is used to spread out all the data while keeping it safe. Now again, these are techniques that cloud computing can do, and a lot of firms use this to keep all their information and all their files safe and secured. With when something goes wrong, they have a backup.